so we got our fuel system here. We already did the fuel pump. Just a kind of an overview. We've got the hose here, which I believe was a 5/16. We've got 550 injectors. We got the Tomei fuel pressure regulator, the adapter for it, for the stock fuel rail. We've got these are actually kind of cool, these Pro Shop Noble. They're the hardware for the caps on the fuel injectors, because these Phillips heads get stripped out. It's kind of common. So this replaces them with an Allen head. We've got a couple fittings here for the fuel pressure regulator and the fuel filter. So let's get it. So on our fuel pressure regulator here, the bottom port goes back to the tank, and these top two ports go from the fuel rail. So this is the in and then this is the out. these two are interchangeable. You can put a plug here, you can put mechanical liquid gauge, or you can put a fuel pressure sensor, whatever you want, or you can plug it off. The threads on these are 1/8 PT. What we're gonna do is put the liquid gauge in the front so we can see it, and then we're gonna put our barbed fitting on this side. All right, so these holes are actually two different threads. One of them's a PT, which is like a metric European or Japanese pipe thread, and then one of them's an NPT, which is like the US one. So we did actually have a barbed NPT. All right, so we've got the engine harness started here. We just pushed the ECU side of it through the firewall right here. This grommet is replaceable from Wiring Specialties, so I just wanted to make a note of that. Clocked it around right here because on the catch can that we're using, the TF Works or Tomei Factory one, that's made for the S13, they do say that you have to move the harness over to these holes, but I was able, with it clocked that direction, I was able to get it to where it will still mount up. So just wanted to make a note of that. And other thing on this catch can, they say that it doesn't work with the cruise control and doesn't work with the AC lines as well. So